Then, thank you. Yes, welcome back to the C part of our miscellaneous construction. We are going to be dealing now with inscribing an equilateral triangle in a circle. How is it done? Let us assume your circle radius again is, let's say, 60. Let's say 60. What do? You draw the circle. You draw the circle. Let me assume this is the circle. This is the circle. Sorry. This is the circle. Make sure your own is finer than mine. This is the circle. Now, what do? Just mark any point there. Just mark any point. Indicate. Just mark any point. Good. The radius that you have used before, don't change it. Now, cut 6. Put it there. I cut. Move it there. I cut. Moving it here. I cut. The circumference of the circle. You come this way. I cut. Come here. I also cut. You label it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You see that? You divide the circle into 6 equal parts. And you take your ruler, as usual. You join every other number. What I mean? Let us assume I chose number 1. If I chose number 1, I'll skip number 2. So I'll join 1 and 3. Like this, using your ruler anyway. Like that. When I pick number 3, I'll skip number 4. I'll pick number 5. So I join 3 and 5 using your ruler. When I pick number 5, I'll skip number 6. I'll pick number 1. So I join 5 and 1. And what do you see at the end of the day? You see an equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle. It's that simple, right? So, what about the D part? Join me in the D part. Welcome back to the D part of our miscellaneous construction. I must say you've done so well following me all through the while. Now, the D part says circumscribing a circle round an equilateral triangle. We already know what an equilateral triangle is. Now, how do you circumscribe a circle round it? That means the circle will be outside the triangle. The first thing you do is to construct the triangle. And I think I've taught you that before. Let us assume the triangle is ABC. And the side is, let us just say, 50 mm. So, I assume this is my 50 mm. Alright. As usual, you draw a horizontal line. You draw a horizontal line like this. Draw a horizontal line. That's it. Cut a part of it. You call it A. With your compass, you get your B, probably 50 mm. This is B, 50. Use A and B as centers, as we've done before. You cut up here, take it to B, you cut here, call that part your C. You join A to C, you join your A to C, A to C, B to C. You can do this very well, right? Fine. The next thing you do, you bisect 2 sides. You understand me? You bisect 2 sides. You choose bisect, let's say A, B, A, C. Bisected, B, C, bisected. So, let me assume we bisect A, B. You put your compass, reduce it. You cut up here, you cut down here, take it to B, you cut here, take it down, you cut there. You choose another part, let's say AC. Put it there, you cut this way, put it here, you cut this way. Close to C. Put it at C, you cut here, you put it and there. What's the next thing you do? You use intersection here and down, that's it. Can you see that? You take it straight, take the other one. You see that? Always note, if you don't grasp, you can always rewind your rule. Now, these bisectors, they met at a point which is here. Call that point your O. Put your needle now at O. Take it to O. And put your pencil at C. That is here. Can you see that? Put it at C. And what do? You go round. You go round. You go round. Round. Sorry. That's it. You see, the circle must pass through A, B, and C. If you do it on your drawing paper, it's going to be neater than this. This is just an example. You see the steps I followed? Like I said, you can always rewind to see what I did. So this is how to circumscribe a circle, round, an equilateral triangle. The other ones, we are going to be using my board to do it. When I want to go to E, the E aspect of our job has to do with inscribing. Inscribing a circle in an equilateral triangle. How do you do that? Please join me on my drawing board as I take you through that very interesting job. See you there. All right. Like I told you on the board, the last part we are taking now in your JSS2 work is inscribing a circle in an equilateral triangle. How do you do that? Well, the question will always tell you the side of the triangle. Let us assume the triangle we are drawing this time is, let's say, 80 mm. So the first thing you do is to construct the equilateral triangle. As usual, you draw your horizontal.